Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to set up a fresh Outlook account. This procedure is very simple, and by following these directions, you will have your new email ready quickly. Whether you are a beginner or just need a second address, I will walk you through every stage clearly. So let's get started. First, head over to the Outlook sign-in page within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. You can find this by typing Outlook Login into your web browser's search bar. Select the official Microsoft link from the results. It is crucial to use the legitimate site to keep your data safe and avoid fraudulent websites. Once the page loads, locate the prominent Sign In button and click it. You will be redirected to a new screen. Even though it looks like a standard login, this is the correct path. If the page shows an existing user, look for an option like Sign In with a different account. You might need to scan the page to find it. Once selected, look for the Create One link, usually found near the email entry field. Clicking this initiates the registration process. On the account creation screen, you must provide some basic details. Start by choosing your desired email address. It needs to be a unique name that isn't already claimed. If it is, the system will ask for an alternative. Next, generate a strong password. Use a mix of characters, digits, and symbols to ensure security. Be sure to store this password safely. You may also need to enter your full name, region, and date of birth. These facts are vital for recovering your account later, so ensure they are correct. After submitting these, you might have to verify your identity. This is a standard security check where you might receive a text code or solve a CAPTCHA. Just follow the on-screen prompts to finish. Once done, you will be logged into your new Outlook inbox. Congratulations! You can now send messages, organize your calendar, and explore all the available tools. If you hit any snags, Microsoft's website features a helpful support area with troubleshooting guides. That is all there is to it. I hope this walkthrough was useful. Thanks for joining us, and remember to subscribe for more tips. Have a wonderful day.